North Surname Meaning in History presented by COADB.com. Surname meaning: it is an English topographic surname denoting someone who migrated from the north, especially someone living in the north of England, who then moved and lived in the south of the country, derived from the Middle English word north, of course, meaning north. Early bearers included Aylmar del North in Suffolk in 1230 AD, John de North in Cambridgeshire in 1257, John de North of London in 1273, Robert North of Oxfordshire in 1273, William North of Sussex in 1296, and William, John, and Margaret North in Yorkshire, England in 1379. Noble titles held included Baron North of Kirtling Tower in the county of Cambridge, a title created in the Peerage of England in 1554 for Sir Edward North, a successful lawyer, clerk of the Parliament, and chancellor of the Court of Augmentations. And here we see on the right Sir Edward North, along with Kirtling Tower, the family estate. Here we see Dudley North, the third Baron North, who died in 1666, and Dudley North, the fourth Baron, who died in 1677. Francis North, Lord Keeper of the Great Seal, and third son of Dudley North, fourth Baron, was created Baron Guilford in 1683, and he was succeeded by his son, Francis North, who was a member of Parliament and Privy Councilor. And here we see the family estate of Roxton Abbey. Francis North of Roxton Abbey, the seventh Baron, was created Earl of Guilford in 1752. We see him here. And the second Earl, Frederick North, seen here, was the 12th Prime Minister of Great Britain. And lastly, the North Baronetcy of Milden Hall in the county of Suffolk was created in 1660 for Sir Henry North, son of Sir Roger North and grandson of Sir Henry North. He represented Suffolk in the House of Commons, and the second baronet, also named Sir Henry North, also sat in Parliament for this constituency, and the baronetcy became extinct upon his death in 1695. Landed gentry included North of Rougham in County Norfolk. Looks like they descended from the Honourable Roger North of Rougham, who was born in 1651, the sixth son of the fourth Lord North. And here we see Rougham in modern day, the ruins. And also north of Thurland Castle in County Lancashire. They descended from Thomas North of Docker and Newton. Notables included the Honourable Dudley North, born in 1675, an English aristocrat, Orientalist, linguist, and classical scholar who was the daughter of the fifth Baron. Brownlow North, born 1741, he was Bishop of Winchester, Worcester, Lichfield, and Coventry, and also served as Dean of Canterbury. Sir Dudley North, born 1641, was an English merchant, politician, economist, and writer on free trade. Dudley North, born 1684, of Glemham Hall in Suffolk, was a British landowner and Tory politician who sat in the House of Commons. Here we see Glemham Hall. Mary Ann North, born 1830, was a prolific English Victorian biologist and botanical artist, noted for her plant and landscape paintings and her extensive foreign travels and writings. Roger North, born 1653, was an English lawyer, biographer, and amateur musician. And lastly, Major William North, born 1755, was an American soldier who served in the Revolutionary War and briefly served as senator from New York in 1798. Early settlers to the New World included Thomas North in Virginia in 1623, John North came to Connecticut in 1635, Elizabeth North came to Virginia in 1703, Abraham North came to Virginia in 1713, John North came to Pennsylvania in 1771, and Thomas North arrived in Maryland in 1775. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coagb.com, where we offer genealogy research services. Link in the description. Thank you very much.